What if a home did not feel like a subdivision, but a sanctuary? Here in the highlands of Antipolo, we find a curious creature, the urban human. Removed from the chaos of its natural concrete environment, mornings begin not with the noise of traffic, but with birdsong echoing through a forest of towering trees. The air, cool and clean, flows gently through winding roads, untouched by the rush of the city below.
This is Town and Country Estates.
A forest village hidden in plain sight, quiet, undisturbed, and unforgettable to those who discover it.
Antipolo has plenty of green, scenic villages, but Town and Country Estates surely stands out.
The trees are so dense, you actually feel cooler walking down the streets. It takes the whole Antipolo experience to the next level. While it feels like a sanctuary,
it is actually one of Antipolo's most prestigious subdivisions with the lowest density. It offers large cuts and has the most limited number of lots, making it extremely exclusive. Did you know this place is an actual bird sanctuary? Here are some of the species that have been spotted here. So you're surrounded by the relaxing sound of wildlife. Listen to this.
the village even has its own environmental committee to help protect the trees, the wildlife, and the overall vibe of the place.
But for aspiring homeowners, one of the best things about this village is that you can find lots with views like this.
Town and Country is located along Sumulong Highway with access to Ortigas Extension, making it quite close to the city despite its ambience.
Just look at that. It's a literal oasis just 45 minutes to an hour from Metro Manila.
Perfectly convenient for those who want to live surrounded by forests without giving up proximity to city life. While Town and Country has a lot of charm,
it does feel like it's frozen in time with outdated amenities because this village is around 40 plus years old already. And most people who live here tend to build their own amenities because with large cuts of land from 600 to 2,000 square meters, you have enough space to do whatever you want. With everything mentioned, you'd think prices here would be crazy expensive. But surprisingly, it's not that bad at 13 to 20,000 per square meter only. Especially when you compare it to other premium villages within the same proximity to Metro Manila. And because of that, more people are building now than ever before.
However, while it sounds ideal, there's no such thing as a perfect village.
Town and Country is not for everyone.
What I find zen,
others may find it spooky or secluded. But if you enjoy the sounds of wildlife, prioritize fresh air, wellness, and wide open spaces, then this village could be your perfect habitat. And because it's meant to be a sanctuary, the community has clear guidelines to protect the peaceful natural vibe. I actually see that as a plus.
It means the same nature-filled setting you fall in love with today will still be there 10, 20 years down the line.
And so, in the final act of the day, we find our urban human in their true habitat. See how he takes his final form, one of complete relaxation, with careful cocooning beneath layers of soft fabric. Truly remarkable.
There you have it, guys. That's it for this video. If you are interested in Antipolo, we have around 600 active listings across different exclusive villages in Antipolo. If you like this type of content, please like and subscribe, and we will catch you on the next ride.